Y'all small tuna fish and one big catch.
This is a Shark's Tale.
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.
Let's drop it on them like this. No matter how big the shark gets, the bite keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work.